I'm Manka Ramachandran. I'm the Chief Pharmacist and Clinical Director for Medicines Optimisation for a mental health trust. The reason why I chose the healthcare strategy forum is what it says on the package. It's a healthcare strategy forum. So it's incredible. It's not just talking about now, it's talking about the future. How do we strategize? What's the direction? And I think it felt very impartial. There was a range of solutions. It wasn't biased to one supplier or one solution provider. And the people in the room, the audience ranged from IT specialists to clinical to operational. So it's such a diverse, and it shows that it appeals to everyone. So I think something like this is very valuable and crucial regardless which area of a hospital or healthcare you work in, because you will be affected by it. So it's better you're part of this journey and you take the time to come and appreciate what's out there. I think, everyone's trying to do their best. Let's share experiences, let's learn from one another, let's network, and let's support one another. Let's not work in silos, because the NHS is one NHS, but how we do things, some people struggle, but someone else might know the answer. So let's innovate, let's work together. So that's why I thought it's important, the presentations we had, not only the presentations we had from the sponsors, but the real people in the NHS, their presentations were amazing as well, because it talks about practicalities and how they've experienced the challenges and overcome. So they're great lessons learned as well. I think, it's important to know what's out there and who's doing what, and it's important that there are more than one people out there, so you're able to understand what are the different products or what are the different innovations happening and which are better suited for your organisation. When we're in that big hall, it's very formal, but when we break away, it becomes a bit informal and it's a bit more cosy. So you really get to, put your head down and just listen or talk to people and connect with people. And I really loved, that whole kind of, meeting different people, those intimate groups. Into different, but each area had a different topic, so it gave you a nugget, but the networking is absolutely amazing. The way it's been organised is like clockwork. Everything runs to things. The topics were very relevant, but the network, the people you connect with and the people you work with, we know that we're going to go back, and regardless what part of the country they're in, we're going to start working in collaboration on this journey together and sharing ideas as well.